Sirsasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Clasp your elbows in front. Now place your elbow on the mat. Interlock your fingers and place the crown of your head between your interlocked finger. Slowly come into downward dog position. Slowly walk your feet towards your trunk. And when you can't walk any longer, just lift your feet off the mat and slowly lift your leg up. All the time being aware of your core and your shoulders. Keep your shoulders away from your neck. Just maintaining a balance.
नहीं ठीक है, perfect है.
You can do some twisting in Sirsasana. Make sure your awareness in your core, your belly. Stay off for some time. You can do some hip opening crisscross while in Sirsasana. Leg split. All the time being aware. Slowly bend your legs